So here's a pretty rare car, a Ford Mustang Roush Jackhammer, 2018, 710 horsepower, supercharged horsepower, 610 foot-pounds of torque, only 200 produced. This is number 135, in black, pretty sweet. These modular V8s are always so wide-decked. It's amazing they can even shoehorn it in there. Pretty sweet car. Cool badging. It's an automatic. Carbon fiber-ish dash. Roush seats. Big meats. Lowered a little bit, looks like. Pretty sweet. Let's go take a look through the window. We can see a little better through the open glass. Pretty nice tight cockpit. I don't know if that little drop-down toolbox kit is factory, but that's pretty cool. Is this little toolkit factory?
It is. Yeah, you can flip it up if you want to.
No, I don't want to touch it. It's pretty cool though. I didn't. Do all Mustangs have that? Or just this one?
I think it's just a Roush.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cool car.